friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the MSI Optix G321 CQP 31.5-inch WQHD gaming display. So friend, MSI launched the Optix G321 CQP 31.5 WQHD curve gaming liquid crystal display with a 1000R curvature and friend with a refresh rate of 165Hz and reaction time of 1 millisecond. The liquid crystal panel employs a high contrast VESA technique and supports high speed drawing, and friend additionally it features AMD FreeSync Premium, a display synchronization technology, night vision which improves visibility in low light condition, and less blue light pro which reduces blue light. And friend, the primary specification are a brightness of 250 nits, contrast ratio of 2500 gem, display color gamut of 1.07 billion colors, color gamut of 85% DCI-P3, 110% ARGB, and friend 110% sRGB. And friend, the interface include DisplayPort 1.2a/1, HDMI 2.0b/2, and earphone jack into 1. And friend, the stand features a tilt range of -5 to 20 degree, a swivel range of -30 to 30 degree, a pivot range of -5 to 5 degree, and height range of 0 to 90 mm. And friend, the VESA mounter features a 75 into 75 mm pitch, external dimensions of 704.6 mm wide, 287 mm deep, 558.4 mm height, and friend, it weighs about 6.95 kg. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.